Hi, I'm August Sallas, President of the Little Village Community Council. And next Saturday, which is June the 29th, we're going to have the smoke alarms for our residents here in Little Village. In partnership with the American Red Cross, we're going to install 3 smoke alarms in the houses of people here in Little Village who are registered for the installation. And we're doing this in order to save lives, and we're doing this in memory, and we're dedicating this project to the 10 children who died last year in August of 2018, unfortunately. So we're asking people to register with the Little Village Community Council. We're located at 3610 West 26th Street at 9 o'clock to receive the free 3 smoke alarms in their house. So we're doing this again in memory of the 10 children who passed away in a horrific fire last year. Thank you for your support, and we want to appreciate the support of the American Red Cross.